Assalamu alaikum students. In this lecture, we will start second chapter of the book Climatic Regions of the Muslim World. Now, starting with the chapter name, we first explain the meaning of climatic region. Climatic region refers to a continuous area in which similar climate characteristics are observed, where climate is the average condition of the weather at a place, usually over a period of years. Muslim countries are divided into 8 regions according to their climatic conditions. These are deserts, semi-deserts, and scrubland, tropical grassland, tropical forest, temperate deserts, Mediterranean climate region, temperate grassland, and monsoon regions. In this lecture, we will cover the first 4 climatic regions of the Muslim world. Come to the first topic, deserts. In deserts, the climate is hot because there is almost no rainfall. As a result, there is no agricultural output. Almost three-fourths of the world's major deserts are in Muslim countries. For example, the Sahara Desert in Africa, the Thar Desert in Pakistan, the Somali Desert in Africa, the Kazakh in Uzbekistan, and the Shtetl in Iran. Now, the second topic is semi-deserts and scrubland. In these regions, very small rainfall occurs. That is not enough for crops to grow. The weather is hot during the day and cool at night. Coarse, rough and tough plants and shrubs grow here. बच्चों कोर्स जो कहते हैं वो जो खुरदरे से खराब से प्लांट होते हैं उनको कहा जाता है कोर्स प्लांट. These plants have long roots to go deep down to get water from below the surface. People rear goats and sheep. The wool from these animals is hard and is excellent for making carpet. The western parts of Pakistan are semi-deserts, for example, Thar and Thal. The third climatic region of the Muslim world is tropical grasslands. They are found between the deserts and the tropical forest. These regions are warm throughout the year. Rainfall occurs in a small amount. It is in between 500 to 1500 millimeters. Scattered trees, bushes and long grasses grow here. स्टूडेंट स्कैटर्ड ट्रीज जो होते हैं वो दूर दूर फैले हुए होते हैं, वो करीब करीब नहीं होते हैं. तो स्कैटर्ड ट्रीज जो हैं वो दूर दूर और फैले हुए दरख्तों को कहा जाता है. Many animals found here. These includes buffaloes, zebras, giraffes, elephants, lions, and tigers. Thousands of people going on safaris to watch the animals. Pakistan once had this type of vegetation, but now the grassland have been replaced by crops with extra water from irrigation. The next region is tropical forest. They are located in Central Africa along the equator and in Southeast Asia. Heavy rainfall occurs here. It is in between 1800 to 2500 millimeters or more. The temperature throughout the year ranges between 20 to 30 degree centigrade. Thick forest of tall trees with a crown of leaves high up found here. ये लंबे लंबे दरख्तों के घने जंगलात होते हैं और ये जो दरख्त होते हैं इनके जो बहुत जाके ऊंचाई बुलंदी के ऊपर जो इनके पत्ते और पत्तियां जो निकलते हैं. Much of the forest is valuable for timber such as teak and other hardwoods. The main forms of life found here are birds, monkeys, snakes, lizards, and insects. Other crops include sugarcane, coca, mangoes, pineapple, etc. Because of heat and moist atmosphere, the environment has unhealthy effects on human life. These forests are of great importance as they provide oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide present in the air. Students, our lecture ends here. We will continue this chapter in the next video. Thank you.